The battles of the universities still happening here on Twist and Shout. Of course, we call this the campus edition tonight. One of the schools from Bulacan and one from Batangas face each other on this Twist and Shout stage.
At kasama natin tuwing Twist and Shout Nights ang poging musical director natin na si Mel Villena and the Banditos. Hey!
Dance to the music! Yeah! The jury of judges, Aisha, Jimmy, and Echo.
Hey! Ang mga taga-Bulacan! Kayo ba ang mauunang makauwi ng 200,000 pesos?
Yeah!
Aba? Are you convinced?
Not really. Maybe it's these guys from Batangas. They want 200,000 pesos too.
That's right. Well, sana ma-inspire kayo nitong idol natin dahil siya. Teka muna, teka. Siya ang nakauwi ng 2 million pesos.
What?
Ah, yeah.
What game show is that?
Siya lang, ha? Siya lang.
I want some of that.
Siya ngayon ay isa sa certified actors ng ABS-CBN with
Wow.
the Idol Kids, Jovit Valdevino.
The Idol Kids. Thank you, Jovit. And Idol Kids, our weapon of mass distraction is your talent alone, Jovit. So please tell us more about why you're here.
Mga kapamilya, patuloy niyo pong subaybayan ang bagong paborito ng bayan, ang Idol!
Isa ka na ron!
Salamat po sa matinding suporta nyo. Kasama po sina Miss Sarah Geronimo,
Idol yan.
Coco Martin
Isa
at
pang
Samuel B. Andun din yung mga kids, sina Philip, si Rachel, Francis, Nikki, Micaela at Renzi. At iniimbitahan ko po kayo sa October
Higher pa,
2. Nasa Puerto Princesa po ako sa Palawan. Yan.
Sa September
At September 12.
Taas pa.
At September 12 po.
Saan?
Bukas.
Saan?
Kasama po ako sa ng Showtime sa San
Francisco, California.
Sa One Kapamilya Go. Salamat po.
We're so very proud of you.
Thank you po, Kuya Gary and Kuya Martin.
Palawat mamayang gabi, ha?
Lalo na po kay Direk Bobet.
Jovit and the kids, give them a round of applause, please.
Yeah!
Our weapons of mass distraction this evening will be heavy, sweat, and wet.
Sweat and wet and heavy.
Yes. So let's bring out that Twist and Shout coin as you spin it until it's been spun to the point of annoyance.
Game na.
Go! Gary or Martin? Gary
Choose
or
a
Martin?
name. Gary or
Choose
Martin.
a name. Choose a name. Jovit. Maybe it's Jovit, no?
Jovit?
Maybe.
Jovit, ikaw, Gary or Martin?
Gary or
Hindi,
Martin.
mamaya mo na lang sa
sige,
tingin.
sige.
Kasi baka maging sensitive.
Mamaya daw.
Okay. Here we go.
You won't win anything.
Who said Gary?
Who said Gary?
Blue.
They said Martin.
Okay.
He said Jovit.
It's Gary.
Gary V, which means
Gary.
the blue team goes first, the red team goes second.
Alam na natin kung anong team ang mauuna, so let's introduce them to our very first weapon of mass distraction.
scary.
It is called the
And for the blue team, starting off will be Jonathan. Now, tell me more about Jonathan, would ya? Let's see.
Jonathan's inspiration is former Eraserhead frontman and now pupil band leader Ellie Buendia.
Bakit hindi? Marunong din siya maggitara at syempre kumakanta din siya.
to sing Sige. Sige.
Sige.
Okay, from Sun Hill Sipag, blue team, si Jonathan Marzan.
Come on, Jonathan. Oh! He wasn't like that earlier.
Ayan na.
That's what caffeine can do.
Something snapping him.
From the blue team, Jonathan.
Sige, pagkasama ka naman, kitang-kita ko ang ating kasiyahan. Sige, pag nga natin pigilan at di magkatuloy, ay ligaya. Okay lang naman ang ating
Okay lang.
usapan.
Internalize ka.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll ba yun?
roll.
Rock and roll. Akala ko gagawin ng ballad. Yung pala, a rock ballad.
Eh, yung
Good job.
kalaban mo kaya magra-rock and roll din. Ha! Panoorin naman natin ang isa pang Jonathan.
Jonathan looks up to Gary Vee as his idol. He wants to sing and dance just like
He
him.
is also into baking cakes and is a wizard in Scrabble.
Where is he?
Sulok. And he is from BSU.
Will he be lucky? Let's see.
You better make sure the U is there because he'll only be BS.
Okay.
You. Lucky Voice Red Team, are you ready?
Ah!
Here is Jonathan! Chubby Pong! Please, please. Look at me. Oh, Suave, Jonathan. Suave. Look at you.
Bilisan mo ang takbo. Lagang mga bombang nakatutok sa ulo mo. Toto'y tumalun ka, tumaba kung kailangan. At baka tamaan pa mga balang bigat.
Sweet anticipation. Uy! Uy!
Toto'y makinig ka, huwag kang magpagabi. Baka magkahalan ka maghusay ka sa tabi.
To see Jonathan.
Toto'y, alam mo ba kung ano ang dulo ng di matapos tapos sa kaguluhan? Ito, mulat nila tunay na magkalaban. Ang kulay at nakakaisip sa dahilan. Hanggat marami ang lubog sa kahirapan. Ang
Sushi Savage!
parang sa mayaman. Habang may katsulog at sila ang kasutok, di matatakot itong ulo. Magkalaban. Ang kulay at tatak ay di siyang dahilan.
I love you. He's mine. He's mine.
Marami ang lubog sa
He's mine.
kahirapan.
Akin siya. Akin siya.
Ay, para lang sa mayaman. Habang may katsulog at sila ang kasutok. Habang may katsulog at sila ang kasutok. Di matatakot itong ulo.
Oh, Jonathan! Woo! Jonathan, we only have one question to ask
One
you.
question
Just
to
one
ask you, okay?
question.
Ano ba nararamdaman mo? Kasi
Ang
parang
hinahanap
pangalan
mo
sandwich
talaga.
eh.
Gusto mo talaga yung 200,000. Halatang halata. Gutom na gutom
Obvious,
kayo.
obvious talagang wala siyang hindi siya bigay.
Sino mas gusto mo? Yung right or yung left?
Boss.
Both. Gusto niya both. The similarity between a bangka and a ship is that they are both. That's right. Ang showdown ng dalawang Jonathan
You
sa
look
round
like a toothpick.
1. Watch this.
Our judges, starting with whom shall we start with? I say Isa.
Jonathan na pula, mas performer siya. Unlike si Jonathan Blue na mas intense. Which is, I think, mas nababagay lang sa song choice. But still, syempre, ang pipiliin ko kung saan ako mas nag-enjoy at mas na-excite. So, ang 1 point ko ay mapupunta kay Jonathan Blue.
Blue team gets 1 point. Jimmy?
Alam mo, Blue, ang gusto ko sa'yo, I think totoo yung pagka-rock mo. I think nakikinig ka talaga sa rock music, no? Talagang gano'n, ano? Si Red, ang gusto ko sa'yo, yung spirit mo that you wanted to perform despite the two big guys, no? Pero napaka-importante lang talaga sa akin nung pagkatotoo ng isang performer, eh. Dito lang, no? Yung effort mo 100%, pero yung pagkatotoo, lumamang si Blue. Kaya may 1 point goes to Jonathan Blue.
Whoa, 2 for the Blue.
Echo. Yung sa Red, si Blue kanina, astig ka, tulad kila sabi nila Ice at saka nila Jimmy, no? Nandun yung rock and roll. Nandun yung ka-attitude mo, pare, nandun. Sa'yo naman, bro, naramdaman ko na medyo napipikong ka dun sa dalawang
Naman.
sa dalawang siomay na malaki. Pero andun pa rin yung character mo, di ba? Nandun pa rin yung, sige, game lang to, di ba? So, ewan ko, na-excite ako sa performance mo. So, sa'yo na lang yung 1 point.
Whoa, the red gets 1.
The red gets 1 point. All right, Blue team, gets 2 points. Red team gets 1 point. Maka Blue, Maka Red, ayan na. Buhay na buhay yung dalawang team. At lalo pa pagbalik ng dalawang rounds pa.
I think it's time for a commercial break. Coming back right here on
Twist and Shout!
Shake it!